Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your next gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.next.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you are logged into your Next account. In order to redeem your Next gift card online, you can simply do it while checking out with a product. Go ahead and find the product you'd like to shop and add it on your shopping bag. Once you are done adding the product in your shopping bag, click on the checkout button. While checking out with the product, you'll need to fill in some of your details. Select your delivery method, select the delivery date, enter the time and other information asked on this page. You'll also need to provide a contact number that can be used at the time of delivery. And finally, click on Continue to Payment. Now, while making a payment, you can easily click on the gift card/e-voucher option and enter the 16 digits of your gift card number in the first text box. On the next field, type in your PIN code, which is available at the back of your gift card as well, and it is 4 digits long. Finally, after you are done, click on Add Gift Card/e-voucher option in order to redeem or use your gift card for Next. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.